Hello, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm fine, and I'm happy to be here to make a video. We will be making origami today. We will be making my house. And for that, we need paper. We can use small paper, big paper, white paper, colored paper, recycled paper, any paper you have. And today I will use this white paper. We will also need colors. I have felt pens, but you can use crayons or water, paint, or whatever you have in the house, or just a pencil. And what we will be making is my house. See? And in my house, when we open the door, we have the dining room, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom. Okay, so are you ready to start? So pick up your paper and fold it in half. So we turn. See, it's a rectangle, a big rectangle. So now we have a small rectangle. So now we fold it again in half to make another small rectangle. Now we open the small rectangle and we make another rectangle, finishing in the center. So we do one, and now we do two. You think it's difficult? Nah, you're very good. Nothing is difficult for you. So, once we have it like this, we actually open it. And now it's the difficult part because, see, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 small rectangles. We see 1, 2, 3 lines. So we are working with this line. So we open, see the open parts here? We open here and we will be making a triangle on top. See? Triangle. It's a little difficult. So if you need help, you can ask daddy or mommy, or if you have big brothers and sisters, ask them for help. I wish I could help you. I wish we were at the school working together. So the other one. Again, we open. And when we open, we make a triangle on the top. So now we have 2 triangles. 1 triangle, 2 triangles, and the house. We have the house, and it stands still. Now we need to completely finish it by decorating the house. Remember my house? I use felt pens, and I decorate the house. So remember the parts of my house. My dining room, my kitchen, my living room, my bedroom, and my bathroom. Excellent. Oh, and something else I did in my house, I find it very special. I made a garden. See? With a swing. Okay, so I hope it goes well, and please send me your photos or videos or your messages to my email, okay? So thank you, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.